I'll terminate you.
Come on, if you're going to keep doing that, you can't call him that.
Oh, I think it suits him.
I do too.
Me too.
I think he's right, little Arnie. Very cute. Very cute. Not as cute as Rupert, but very getting there. For sure. I'll tell you what, with him and Rupert, when you take them both for coffee, that's going to be a bloody laugh, isn't it? You'll stop Takapuna Main Street, won't you? Eh?
Hello. Hello.
Takapuna Main Street will come to a standstill. Rupert and Arnold. I love that. Oh, Arnold. Lovely. Arnie. I am a Terminator. Sent from the future.